Hey there guys, welcome to K-Said Single Boss Break number 539, 13-14 Panini Select. Last thing that ended in the break was the Colorado Avalanche on December 3rd at 8:46 p.m. Eastern Time. So go to eBay's current date and time, hit the reload current page. Current date and time is Wednesday, December 4th at 1:26 a.m. Eastern Time. We are live on Breakers TV there. A couple guys still hanging out in the room. Watch the select break. 539, and our serial number tonight is NE206447409. NE206447409. Sealed. I'll set you guys up here. I'll show you serial number one more time and we will get started, guys. Good luck. 7409. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Good luck. Then we have a youth explosion of JT Brown for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Thanks. We got Christopher Stieg for the Florida Panthers. Thanks. Is he supposed to be a good player, Dwayne? We have Fire on Ice of Alex Pietrangelo for the Blues. And Prism Refractor of Jordan Eberle for the Oilers. Thanks. Another super thick stock. Oh, wrong shark. And we got Select Rookie Prime Jersey Auto of Nick Petretti, 14/25. Probably the wrong Sharks rookie. Still not too bad, I suppose. Thanks. Everybody wants Hurdle. And we got Freezers of Carey Price for the Montreal Canadiens. And we have Chad Rowito for the Buffalo Sabres. Thanks. Sorry, we didn't even get a hit in this pack. This is the first box I've seen without a hit, or first pack. Pretty sure they guarantee a hit in every pack, or at least a rookie. Okay, I'll contact Panini about it, because this is 6 cards, no hits. So I'll ask Panini, but all they have stated is just 4 autographs per master box, and that's it. We got 2 autos out of that one, so. As long as we're not short of 4 autos, we'll be good though. Got Fire on Ice of Zach Redmond for the Winnipeg Jets. Prism Refractor of Yuri Hudler for the Calgary Flames. Nice. Most of the time it'd be like a Prism Refractor or an extra rookie or something like that. And we have rookie autograph of Jonas Broden out of 399 for the Wild. Nice. No, it's normally done on eBay there, Jane. Like, there'll be emails sent out on some of them too. I got PK Subban for the Montreal Canadiens. It is a little warped, just so you guys know. It's the first time I've seen that. If you look at it, it is warped a little bit. We got Anders Lee, rookie for the New York Islanders. Nice. No, when I send out emails, like if you want to be on the mailing list, just shoot me an IM. I'll just add you to the mailing list. We got Prism Refractor of Yuri Tuluski for the Hurricanes. Nice. And we have rookie autograph of Jonas Rask, 175 of 399. Last pack of the break, guys. Good luck. And we'll be starting Team Canada double box breaks tomorrow, and 5th box of Cup of the case tomorrow, which we're still waiting on case hits though. Most of the time we would have a rookie like this. Cameron Schilling for the Capitals. Base. Just give me 1 second, guys. So quickly though, I'm pretty sure we got 4 autos because that's all they stayed on the box. Yeah, and we did get 4 autos, so we're good. So that concludes the break for tonight, guys. So we got double Team Canada tomorrow and Cup hockey. Have a good night, guys.